Welcome to Novice Repairs. Right, today we'll be sharpening a knife. Any knife. Just grabbing one small knife here, right, and trying to sharpen this. It's a bit dull. The thing is that we've tried all sorts of, we've tried stones, we've tried machines, we've tried angle grinders, we've tried all sorts. Well, I have anyway, and after about 5 years of trying all these things, I find that the blades wear down, and even the diamond so-called blades, not blades, stones, etc., they all wind down and they go all sorts of, wear out. This is, as you can see, it's a simple, drill with Velcro type, yeah, and you can get these pads, right. I got these on eBay, about $10, I think, £10, yeah, and I don't know how many, it must have been about 15 of them, I think. No, 10, 20, 30, 30 of them, yeah, for a tenner, right, and they go in grades of 200, what was it? 240, yeah, 400, and there's even a finer, even a rougher grade than that. This is how much I got, right, and that's the 400s, and this side is the higher grade, which is 120, okay. My knife is not that blunt, so I'm going to start it off with a 240, okay, another 240, and stick it on there. I normally grab it from like 4 corners, if you can find a corner on a circle, and just feel my way that it's actually in the center and put it down. Can never get perfect, but it's something. Okay, this I found this the fastest way to sharpen these knives. Okay, this one's got a big dent in it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, it's got a big dent in it here. Proper abuse. Okay, well, let's go. Turn it around. So make sure which way is turning around. Okay, and then this is turning this way around. Okay, right. So I'll put it this way. Okay, so the sandpaper is going away from the knife. If you do it this way, this is spinning this way, and you put the blade this way, then basically you're gonna rip the paper, yeah, and you probably snap back and probably injure yourself. So be careful with it, okay. Away it is, okay. Okay, here goes. Right, here we go. Okay, let's see if we've got a burr on it. Oh, it's a very, very small burr. Let's do a bit more. Yeah, make sure that you don't be pressing here or on this side, because then you'll be doing the same thing. So only use this half, or even less than this half of the sandpaper. Okay, let's see if the burr's got a bit stronger. Yeah, it's existing all the way. One more thing which I do use, and it's probably off camera, is a tall glass of water, right, and I dip the knives in there every so often to make sure that they don't overheat, and grab a tissue and just wipe it off. Okay, we did get a burr. Yes, we got a fine burr there. Okay, let's reverse this. Now spinning the other way, so I'm putting the knife this way now. There we go again. no burr on this side yet. Well, it's gone a bit hot. Let me dip it in the water again. There you are. Dipped it in the water. Cool down. Again. There is a slight burr. Very slight. Okay. Yep, let's dip it in the water again. Oops, I dropped something on the floor. Okay, very fine burr on that side. That's okay. Let's do it this way again one more time. There's a burr on it. Yep, there's a burr on it this side. Let's turn it over again. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, it's nice and hot. Back in the water again. And here we go again. Oh, very fine burr. Okay, I need a bit more than that. Okay. Yes, beautiful. Micro burr on that side. Okay. So there's a burr on which side is it gone? Oh, yep. Yeah, micro burr on this side here. Okay, right. It's very fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 240 to 400, and I'm going to take the burr off from this side with a finer paper. Right, which one was it? It was this side. Okay. Not this, that side. Yeah, that's right. Turn it over. A bit difficult to do with one hand, but and turn it over again. And turn it over again. That's it. Right, no burr. No burr. Okay. Right, okay. Now, this looks very sharp to me. Okay. Right, let me introduce you to something else. I don't know if I can show this. How do I show this? I'll have to take the camera off here, off the stand. I'm trying to do this all in one shot so you can see that it's... right, I've got a belt here, right. It's just an ordinary belt, right. And I'm just going to run it through like this a few times. I hope you can see it. You don't have to be much of an expert, but you know, it does level the burr on it. Okay, right, let's get back to the original. Where's it gone? Right, okay. Right, okay, well, let's test this. Have you got any paper? No, I'm not going to find any paper. Oh dear. Where's the paper gone? Okay, can't find any paper then. Well, we'll have to try just a bit of hair. I don't know if this is in focus or not. Yeah, as you can see, I hope you can see, it's shaving very well. There you are, look at that. Yeah, it's shaving, it's all gassing, yeah. Yes, so as I was saying, you will find actually using a drill, one of these, and a couple of minutes, you don't have to be an expert, but you can sharpen a scary sharp knife. I hope you found this video useful, and you'll give this a try. I suppose if you've got a drill, you spend another £10 or €10 on these pads, right, and use it, and also a glass of water, right, where you can dip these into, right, and you'll find that you can sharpen these knives like a pro. No, I really can't find any paper. Where's the paper when you need some? Okay, right, what's this? Oh dear, let's have a look. There's an envelope here. Must be a sheet of paper in there. Oh, a letter or something. Yeah, we've got a letter here. Let's turn it over. Oh dear. You don't want to see my bills, do you? Right. Well, let's have a look. Yeah, it's just cutting it everywhere, whichever way you like. Yeah, just the weight of it is cutting it. So, you guys, there you are, managed to do a paper book as well. I hope you liked the video. As I said, this is novice repairs, no expert, no masters, just simple ways to do jobs that even masters have to do, but do it in shorter time with less money. I hope it helps you. Please do like the video, even though you don't want to subscribe, but even better if you subscribe, that's even better. I will be putting up lots more videos of simple repairs, simple things, and to simplify tasks, or actually to give confidence to the novice to have a go. Have a go. You can do it. You can fix it. Okay, so have a go. I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe. It's very important to us, and we'll be putting more videos up soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.